What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to be doing a review on Calmoptics blue light glasses. Do you guys know what blue light glasses are? Do you guys know what blue light is? Well, I'm about to tell you. So before we jump into it, smack that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss when I upload. There are two types of blue lights. One occurs naturally and one is artificial. So the thing about artificial blue light is there is never a time where it tones down naturally. It's just high energy the whole time, which causes a lot of negative side effects to our eyes. Some of the symptoms could include eye strain, blurry vision, headaches, inability to focus, irritability, dry eyes. Did I say dry eyes? I don't know. I think I said it already. It could also disrupt your patterns of sleep. So if you guys are ever like scrolling on your phone and wondering why you can't get off, it's because that blue light has your eyes so stimulated. Do you guys see this? This is my stimulated eye look. Because the blue light has your eyes so stimulated and you're not able to dial down and relax where your brain can just settle down and go to sleep. And I spend a lot more time in front of computers. This is the day and age for that. My children are also doing virtual learning. So I ended up getting a box from Calmoptics for them and myself. And I want to show you guys how it went. So you guys can see these are the boxes from Calmoptics. It says, healthier eyes, happier you. I couldn't have said it better myself. And yeah. So my boxes are actually already opened. The kids are using theirs right now. So I'm just gonna show you guys what came in the box. It comes with this awesome, cute little glasses case, slip, sorry. It comes with this little glasses slip. Inside, they actually give you a wipe to clean your glasses that says Calmoptics on it. There you go. A nice microfiber cloth. And they also send you this cool kind of gadget that shows you exactly what blue light does to your eyes. Before I show you, they also send you this little screwdriver for your glasses. So if your screws get loose on the side, you have this to kind of be able to fix it. Which is super helpful because I get my actual prescriptive glasses from an eye care store and they've never given me this before. I wish they gave this to me. Here are my glasses. I'm gonna show you guys firsthand. I'm gonna put them on. I got this style here. I thought it was super cute. So I kind of want to get like a clear kind of frame, which I think is super stylish. I ended up getting like big lenses. So as you guys can see, you kind of like, it's weird. When there's light reflecting off of it, you kind of see that bluish tint, right? Let's see if the camera can test it. You might see like a yellow. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh, look at that. What's up? So you guys can already see that it does kind of change. It's really difficult to do this. It does kind of change the appearance. So my walls seem kind of bluish. Now they kind of have this like greenish yellow undertone. Right, so here are the glasses. I apologize for like the glare from my window, but this is the best I can do to show you at the moment. Let's get into the study on blue light. Here they give me a blue light. Protect your eyes. Blue light, and they gave me this card. So what you do with this card and this blue light is you're gonna run the blue light. So I'm just gonna show you guys an example. So imagine just staring at your screen all day, right? No biggie. We're just watching Netflix, YouTube, doing our schoolwork online, working online, just staring. Nothing biggie. No biggie is what I mean. And then we turn it off. And this is the damage that slowly occurs while when I move the glasses, you see how much it's protecting your eyes. So guys, I would definitely recommend you guys getting blue light glasses, whether you need them, whether they need to be prescripted or not, especially for the young kids right now. My kids have theirs and they really like it at the moment. And the interesting thing is, this is like the generation that's gonna be spending a lot of time in front of screens, like more than we have growing up, right? So we never know the long-term effects and the damaging effects of things until later. So I didn't want my kids to be the test dummies. So I ended up getting them these glasses. I'm gonna leave the links and stuff down below for you guys to check it out. Okay guys, they're always giving out discounts and stuff like that. So really great company, keep your eye out. If I can get a discount, I will definitely leave it down linked below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have blue light blocking glasses and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.